We are pleased to have the SVG Association of Montreal, Ottawa and Toronto here to make a donation on behalf of that organization to the ministry. We are always delighted when persons and organizations would partner with us as a government to ensure that this organization is run as smoothly as possible.
I'm a member of the Toronto Association. It's a three-pronged Toronto, Ottawa, and Montreal. And what we do is the Unity Picnic. So I'm a part of the Unity Picnic Committee. And today we are donating 2,000 EC dollars on behalf of the organizations for a donation to the Boys Liberty Lodge Training Center. And just in case you want to know when the picnic happened yearly. It's over 3 decades now we've been doing the picnic. It takes place midway between Ottawa, Montreal, and Toronto. And this year it's going to be on the 18th of July.
It is my profound pleasure to be here this morning receiving a donation on behalf of the Liberty Lodge Boys Training Center. As we all know, this center houses boys who have difficulty in their own homes, and we take them in and treat them like if they are at their own home. So these donations come in at a really timely juncture in the life of the Liberty Lodge Boys Training Home, and also will be put to very good use by the home in ensuring that their programs are executed using these funds. The Ministry of the Family is truly grateful, and we appreciate everything that they bring and they give to us. It could be in cash, it could be in kind. We are very appreciative.
The Liberty Lodge Boys Training Center caters for boys 6 to 17 years, and boys who have been abused are at risk. The center offers psychosocial support to these boys, mentorship. So on behalf of the Liberty Lodge Boys Training Center, I would like to thank the SVG Association of Ottawa, Montreal, and Toronto for your financial contribution. Your contribution will go a long way in helping the center achieve our goals and also to carry out the work that we do.
They have an agricultural science program at the center. The boys are not usually involved too much, but they have work that is going on that benefits the center. There's need for assistance there because what the school is trying to accomplish in terms of the agricultural science program needs a lot more help. And if more organizations can come on board, it all goes well for agriculture in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So again, I want to say thanks for the organization for reaching out and supporting in this venture. Thank you.